Need to reset your Cash App PIN but don't have the app? Here's how to do it from the website. So first of all, you need to log into your Cash App account using your email or phone number and then add the verification code. Now, once you're logged in, look at the bottom left corner, click account and open your settings. Now scroll to the privacy and security option and then click change cache pin, and you need to enter your current pin first and then type in your new pin and confirm it, and that's it. And if you want to reset your pin online, just simply go to your account settings again and just click change cache pin and confirm your current pin, then re-enter enter and reconfirm your new pin. So that's all there is to it. Same option, one to do it from online and to another from the app. And that's it. Your Cash App and Cash Card now use your new PIN. If you forget it again, just repeat these steps. And if you actually forgot your current PIN, then you have to call them on the support number, or you can start an chat from the website or app. They have 24/7 chat support. So talk to them if you actually forgot your PIN and want to add a new one. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.